Hello and welcome to my pain and suffering. I mean a brake job on this 2015 Nissan Altima. We're not going to be doing this today because it's raining and I'm not that much of a glutton for punishments. So watch and enjoy as we get this one in particular from heating up and smoking like it had been. Here's the passenger side, or I guess you could call it the good side if there is a good side. But we're going to get ourselves set up for success. Helps to be prepared. We're also doing the struts, shocks. But I don't plan on touching it, probably tonight. Gotta wait until we have a free moment. Gonna have to definitely come through here with the power washer. That's nice. When I put this dust in here, the hole goes right into another dirt and dust collector. I almost forgot the most important bolt. Another round of PB Blaster just for good measure. Hey look, rust on the rotors. Found my 18mm and it's got a stink bug living in it. You're getting... Sorry bud, you're getting evicted. You still alive? Oh yeah, you're still alive. Wow. Actually very easy to get that off. But it's not really doing much anymore. You can see there's like that weird gap. Maybe I'm just not high enough or something. We'll figure it out. It's exactly what it was. It just wasn't quite high enough. So now for the top ones. Ow. As far as repair jobs go, I would give the shocks on the 2015 Nissan Altima a B. Took my dust cover off the other one because I kind of like it. And that is one shiny new shock down. Let's go to the other side and do the other one. Something tells me that this is unacceptable. Yeah. They had to go. That's two shiny new struts. Time to move on to the bane of my existence. One, I'm glad the internet was here to come in clutch and telling me that that's a 12, not a 13, because there's so much crud and corrosion on it that the 12 was not fitting. And two, I am very happy that I kind of know a little bit, because otherwise I'd be breaking the caliper free before loosening up that banjo bolt, which would be very bad. She was on there pretty tight. Also, I'm doing the side I haven't yet messed with, so everything's kind of tighter to begin with. And I got my mat now, so my knees feel better. Ow. Real time, people. Let's see how bad these slide pins were. Actually, that one looks pretty nice. And that one doesn't look so bad either. Those still had grease. A little bit of sacrificial zip tie action, just to make sure we don't damage that rubber hose, because that would be detrimental. I need a size 19 to get the caliper bracket off, and I don't seem to have one. Oh, wait, there it is. I don't know how I didn't see that before. Let's go get one. The lower one spun off easy. This top one's got me using a glove and a box wrench. Pain in the butt. Be right back. I used my very masculine hammer, hit it one side, hit it the other side, and finally got it to crack free. But this is gonna take a while. Yeah, that's it's gonna make a hell of a lot of noise. Peel that back and off. You've missed all the excitement. The slide pins were pre-torqued, which was a lot of fun, because I had to hand tighten this on to pull them off, and then pull it back off again, which is just a blast. Pre-torqued freaking slide pins. The hardware for the brake pads. So those are on now. So now I get to grease everything up and put pads on. They're pre-greased, but they're getting more. I don't care. I need my dear friend the fluid bucket. That definitely wasn't ideal. If the strut towers were shock struts, same thing, slash me in the comments. Anyhow, if that was a B, this was an F. This sucked. I hate calipers, always will. Back here, this little clippy thing threw me because I didn't notice that there was a hole for it in the new caliper, so I thought I was going to have to go to the auto parts store and deal with that. I really don't want to deal with that. Uh-oh. They're not the same, so I had to take that back apart. Now that I got an F- on this job instead, I can move on to the other side and finally finish my wonderful day of fix the calipers. I don't see a clip on either of these. Did the Nissan dealership put these on wrong? That's going to be it for this video. We got them on there. They're pretty much good to go. The only reason that we're not putting it back together and driving it is because I still have to bleed the brakes and my wife is cooking dinner. So I will let you know in the description when it works. I'm not going to say if it works because I really don't want to take this apart again. And yeah, should be good. I won't bore you with a brake bleed. Looks like we're getting an outro after all. So yeah, we bled the brakes and I got a buddy coming over to bleed the rest tomorrow because that's not good.